Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Priyanshu's Art and Craft. Today I am going to teach you how to make a easy paper aeroplane. So let's get started. First we should take a A4 size sheet. We will fold it into half like this. Nicely we should fold. Then we will open it. You can see one line in the middle, right? We will take this part, then take it till the middle line. Now this another part also the same one. Now we will take this part, fold it like this nicely, and here also the same one. Okay, now we will fold it like this. Now we will fold, you can see one more line here. We will fold it like this nicely. This also the same nicely. Now we will turn it back. We fold it here. Then we will open it. You can see line 1. We will fold it like this nicely. And this one also the same. Okay, now we will fold it like this. Now we are going to make the wings. For making the wings, we should fold it like this nicely. The both wings should be equal. You can see here one wing. Now we will take the another wing and do it the equal. Okay, now we will open the wings. Now we will open it. You can see one square inside, right? Pull from the back like this. Then bring it. Now we should give little shape to the wing. We'll pull it back gently, not hardly. If we pull it hardly, it will break. Okay, now our aeroplane is ready. Now we should stick here. Otherwise it will not look good. Now our aeroplane is ready. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe this video. Bye.